One of the most favorite tools that we have that I absolutely love is the Reversible Blender. Now this concept of reversible, why reversible? I was once sent to Malaysia to train a salon for 30 days. And that type of texture of hair is very broomstick. So what I wanted to do was just take anything I could in and learn. But what I noticed was the stylists in the salon that I was training, they kept reversing it and doing this. And what they did was I told them, look, the screw head's there, your hand is meant to fit that way. Why are you putting and turning this and putting the blunt blade on the bottom? And they said, Sam, when we cut a bob, our hair is very broomstick. To get this to go under, we need to make this edge more pliable. So what they were doing was they would take the blending shear and put the blunt blade on the bottom, and then they would close. So I would come here, see I have the blunt blade on the bottom, it goes about a 1 inch above, and I just come through and I close. Okay? Now once I close, so what happens is that's the bob, but now what I've done is I've textured it, so now there's a blunt line behind it, and I've taken out some of the density. So now this is much more pliable. So the opportunity to actually get this type of texture to go under and have a little slight underturn to it is the way to do it with the blending shear. Blunt blade on the bottom makes that hair go under. So easy thing to remember, the teeth point in the direction the hair is going to move. So then he said, he took me a step further, he said, Sam, if I want this to flip up, he would simply put the blunt blade now on the top and come in and close. And he said, that gives me the line here. Now when I hit it with a round brush, it will have an opportunity to actually flip up. Take it even a step further. When I want this hair to move back, okay, the teeth, I'll take a section, and once I have this section, let's say I'm going to texture vertically. The teeth, if I want the hair to move forward, notice the teeth. The teeth are pointed forward, so I can come in and texturize. Now what's going to happen, there's going to tend to have a natural common tendency to move forward. If I want the hair to go back, you're actually coming in and turning the blade around, reverse it. Now look at the teeth, they're pointed towards the back of the head. So if I do this, now what happens, I got the length, but now the opportunity of this hair to actually move back is much easier, as you can see. So there's a reason why it's called reversible. So if you take a look at the handle, notice how the curvature of the handle, when you reverse it, it still has the proper function and proper position for your thumb, no matter which way you turn it. So remember, the teeth pointing in the direction is the hair, the way the direction is going to move. Blunt blade underneath the bob, about a ½ inch to 1 inch above it, close. You got hard line underneath, texture on top, much easier to turn under. And that's your learning lesson for today.